Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. After a long break and a nice trip to Spiti, I am back on the trekking trail. So we are doing a Nijgal Betta today with Pradeep. This is the hill that we'll be climbing, which you can see here in the backdrop. At the Tumkur highway, and looks like we have come about half a kilometer from the trekking point. So we'll be going back on the main road and we'll be starting the trek from the trek start point. So yeah, stay tuned for the trek, and this looks to be an easy one with a short climb. So we are now on the trail to climb the fort. You can see a fort at the top of the hill. We are starting the trek now after a short walk through the mud road. A few other hills in the backdrop, along with the lush green fields. After yesterday's rains, we have a good weather and bright sunny skies to complete the trek. You can see another forest clearing here, which will take us to the top. So we have an electric line passing through and another route. This looks to be like a dead end. Yeah, this looks to be like a dead end here. There's nothing except small cave. You can see the entrance to the fort. Now at the entrance of the fort, and looks like we're almost halfway through the trek. I'm waiting for Pradeep to come. We have few more people here to give us company. So stay tuned for the full trek and do subscribe to my channel for the full video on this. A small temple. Veerajanaya Swami temple here, dedicated to Lord Hanuman. Almost at the top, and this is the final leg of the trek. You can see the markings carved in the stone for the horses that had to come here. We are at the top of the fort, and you can see some structures here. You can see a few structures here of the fort which has been in ruins. ఇక్కడ ಬಂದೆ. You can see plenty of monkeys here. Hope they don't steal anything from us. Yeah, this is the end of the trek, and do subscribe to my channel for the full video on this, and see you all soon on the next trek.